You called it?
Yeah.
Yeah, stuck on the one thing. There you go.
Yep.
Alright, I wanted to do my continuation video. I realized I never did record after the trees were cut, so we're going to do that now. If you haven't done so already, hit subscribe and the bell notifications for all notifications for the videos. We're going to have a lot of different material coming up. So let me just show you what it looks like after the trees were cut. Let me flip this around here. Okay, so you can see where the 3 pine trees were in the video. When you look at this fence, it looks horrible. That's all going to be replaced come spring. They didn't do a good job of it, and it just doesn't match the rest of the fencing around the house. But here's the 3 pines. Now you'll see a little bit of a hump here. That's because it's middle of winter and the ground does rise after you fill it. So we're in January right now, but the big reason for this is all the pine needles. They make a huge mess in the yard. So I'll take care of all this. I did a little landscaping around the house. Basically, I put everything back to what it was like with the pool. Now, granted, everything looks dead right now, but this will grow back in the spring. I bought perennials, different types of bushes that do come back. I took all the bricks out one by one, put new paper down so no weeds come up. Over here, this is where the jacuzzi is. Now, granted, I still have to drain the pool and re-epoxy it, but you can get a good idea, and like I said, I'll show a photo. There was a big stump here, so that's been cut out and filled in with river rock. Just put a barrel here, just a little decoration. I'll do another video of this once everything grows back in so you can see. One of the big problems that most people do with landscaping is they put everything too close together. And what happens is, as it grows, it becomes way overkill. So right now, like these here look spread far apart, but they're going to grow about 6 foot tall. I'm going to repoint all this stone work. Coming up here, again, pole's going to get redone, re-epoxied. This is where the waterfall is. And just did some like river grass, rose bushes, butterfly plants. I forget the name of this one. But again, I bought all these up at Lowe's in the fall on clearance, like 60% off. Whole project was like $500 for like everything. So Keep that in mind. I use like 100 bags of mulch. And with a contractor discount, it's actually cheaper than buying them when you buy them in the bag compared to, again, a truckload. I'm gonna redo all of the porch here. Either paint it or do like a composite decking. Redid all the stone. Had to buy a bunch new just to fill in. You can barely see the bushes because they blend in, but that's where the one tree was. And I did say the wrong type of tree in the last video. After I looked at it, it is a maple tree. So you can't even tell it was there. And the huge problem was the roots. I was scared of it cracking the pool. And then all that mess goes right into the pool, like the leaves. Then up on the deck here, it never got sun. So everything was all mossy and kind of dangerous to walk on. And of course, I still have to clean the roof up there. And then over here in the corner, that's where the other one was. You always have to worry about breaking the foundation, and that's what I was scared of. And again, too much shade, nothing ever dries out. So I'll show you as time goes on. I just want to get some of this done before winter time. It's a little bit easier. I had leftover flagstone, fieldstone I should say, and then built a little fire pit out of pea gravel and leftover river rock I had. And then just did around here real quick. I'll do that again with mulch in the spring. Then all these trees were cut back some. Cut all those back with like a pull saw. I'll show that in another video. I have a DeWalt pull saw that works really good. So that's kind of, what I got going on with this. So I just wanted to do a quick video showing after the trees how it looks. Big difference. Really opens up and brightens the area. And if you haven't done so, like I said, hit subscribe, hit the bell. I'm going to do walkthroughs of all the houses that I do. This one I'm going to be working on over winter. I haven't really had a chance to get to it yet. Working on 2 other houses right now. So little improvements go a long way. And we'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.